Hello everybody. Today would like to introduce Japanese high-end Secateur sharpening stone, and would like to share information about how to use those stones for sharpening the pruners or secateurs or loppers, etc. Here we have three types, but today we'd like to try the medium-sized. It's a medium grade types made of white aluminum abrasives, which is very hard and strong and very tight abrasives. Since it's very hard and tight with the abrasives, you don't need to to put the stones into the water and like the traditional Japanese water stones to just dip it for 10 minutes. For this kind of stones, we need only a bit water on it. Okay, and then start sharpening. For when you're sharpening the shears, it's only sharpening the front edges, and after you get the burrs on the opposite side of the blade here, you just use the stone to deburr the edges, and then that's gonna be enough.